Hey guys, Jeff and Ruthie here. We are at 2 Newland Cove in Stafford. This is a great house that's just getting ready to go on the market. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a partially finished basement, and we're going to talk about a couple of things that we really love in this house. So Ruthie?
So one of my favorite features, because I like to spend a lot of time outdoors whenever it's warm, is the screen porch. It's a large screen porch. It's a really nice screen porch. And the backyard that it leads out to is fully fenced. Great yard. The house has a lot of windows. I am a fan of all the corner windows in the house, which if you come and see it, you'll be able to see those. Definitely a great house. My favorite features are those.
Yeah, I think I really love the new floor they put in. You know, it's a really modern, cozy, comfortable look. You'll see that as soon as you walk in the door. And the basement's got a massive amount of potential. It's partially finished, so there's a room down there that could be used for a lot of different things, but the unfinished area can make a fantastic recreation.